Anyway, turn the highs down on Jason's channel. Channel 1.
On the train.
The highs.
To Birmingham.
The top green one.
Every year I take this train to Alabama in the rain. I get that lonesome feeling in my bones. Never get to Birmingham. Oh, but getting there ain't a plan. It's like that old town feeling of coming home. And I cry when I have to lie whenever I can. Oh, but I'm dying a little slower on the train to Birmingham. Every year I take this train to Alabama in the rain and get that lonesome feeling in my bones. I never get to Birmingham. Oh, but getting there ain't a plan. Just like that old town feeling of coming home. And I cry when I have to lie whenever I can. Oh, but I'm dying a little slower on the train to Birmingham. Huh? Good?